that supposed to?
Like, the boat caught on fire.
Car alarms. It is. Okay.
And that's it.
This is insane.
This is the best fireworks show ever.
I'm done. I'll go now.
That was perfect.
This is, we could call this a fireworks fail. Maybe not so if you were watching this. This entire 4th of July fireworks show, boom, exploding all at once. Check it out. Whoa, no way. The beginning, the middle, and the end. This was San Diego, the Big Bay Boom, and it kind of went bust. Well, here's the deal. All the fireworks, it was supposed to be, you know, this whole 17-minute show. Whoops. They all went off at the same time 5 minutes before the show was supposed to start. Can you imagine sitting there with your kids, you know, like all of a sudden, what's going on? And then all of a sudden it's over. 20 minutes later, thousands of people told, sorry, show's over, get home. Event producers are investigating the glitch. Apparently, you know, so 17 minutes worth of fireworks, all going off under 60 seconds.
Holy cow.
I think it's kind of cool.
Here's the great part.
Yeah.
It's hilarious because nobody got hurt.
Nobody got hurt.
God.
Thank goodness.
But what a show.
Less than 60 seconds.
Nothing like going out for a little finale.
I love it. I love it.
All right.